Hey there.
Hello, Philip.
What are we doing today?
We are going to looking for the butterfly.
That kind of smells. What is that? The shit of the dog? Why do you have the shit of the dog?
He will taking the shit of the dog and a urine.
And urine?
Yeah.
To do what with it?
To do a trap for a butterfly.
So he's going to attract the butterfly with the shit?
Yeah.
That's going to get us butterflies?
Yeah.
Let's go. We have the urine and the shit of the dog together. Are the urine and the shit from the same dog?
The urine of the body.
Oh, urine of the body. Okay, you mean of the human?
Yeah.
Well, why not have dog urine?
Because when you take a shit dog and urine of body, you get a butterfly.
The butterflies are very picky. They know what they like.
Yeah.
You can't make this stuff up. Antonio.
Yes, good morning.
You don't have shit on your hands, do you? On the trail for butterflies. Shit, urine, net, knife. We're mixing the urine, the shit. He's got one already. I'm a butterfly-friendly guy. We catch and then we let go. Okay? Oh, he's inside. Wow. That's some crazy shit.
He's inside.
Literally, no, he left. He's gonna go back in, I bet. There he is. He's inside again. He loves it. Loves it. Look at him go. Those are all from today?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Many people buy these butterflies?
Oui.
What do they do with them? These are like picture frames.
Yeah.
Ah, look at this. That's a picture frame. Wow. Very interesting. Nice work. Well done, sir. Who's winning? You're winning? Show me the money. One. Show me the money. Show me the money. Hey, I got a smile. Just was invited to have some village beer with the locals. Nice time here. Everyone's chilling, drinking some tree beer. What do you call it?
Natural beer.
A natural beer. It's from the trees. I'm going to give it a shot. Let's see how it goes. Cheers. I've got the baby one, you've got the big one. Ready? Let's go. Let's go. Woo! I'm having such a good time. They take it from that tree right there. So this is basically the source. These are the people that grow the trees that make the beer. Let's see you drink.
Yeah.
You have a baby cup like me. Not like my friend over here with the big one. Cheers. Hey, hey.
Yes.
Yes. Au revoir. Au revoir.
Goodbye.
We've got a tipsy driver. Luckily, these roads are so easy. Okay, so I thought that these yellow plastic bottles were water, but it's actually beer. So the motorbike taxi guys, they transport beer. That's all beer. It sounds just like Spanish Cuban music.
It's Lingala music.
Lingala music, baby.
He said that if you are a rich man, if you are a poor man, you have a right to love someone.
Words to live by, my friend. Let's go.
Let's go, bro.
You made it. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, my channel has videos for every country in the world. Check out another country right below, and please don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, cheers.